Hindi healthy ang yung finances kapag more than 60% ng income mo ay napupunta sa expenses. Ang tawag natin dito ay operating activities. Sa operating activities, dito included yung mga non-negotiables. Kuryente, tubig, internet, grocery, yung mga gastusin sa araw-araw. And ang recommended na allocated amount para dito is hanggang 60% lang. Beyond 60% is unhealthy na para sa finances. Kasi dapat may naitatabi ka rin for your savings or even for your investing activities. So kung ikaw ay breadwinner at more than 60% ng income mo ang napupunta sa operating activities, ito yung mga pwede mong gawin. Number 1 is cut some of your expenses. And number 2 is increase your income. Kasi there's a limit on how we cut off our expenses. But there's no limit on how we increase our income. And kung naghahanap ka ng side hustle that doesn't require